Here I am cutting my hair with some cordless hair trimmers. It is super nice that it's cordless because, I don't have a cord. So I'm trying to film myself and cut my hair at the same time. So not really doing a great job at either, but trying. So it does come with 3 different attachments. This one you can adjust the level on it. Got 2 different speeds. That's really pretty cool. It works really well. All the attachments attach very nice and easy. You can get a nice clean cut. There's all the different levels. So here I am done with cutting my hair. Didn't do an amazing job, but that's more on me, less on the clippers. Here's the box it comes in. It has a hair bib or apron or whatever you call it. Lots and lots of attachments. Really nice. You can get any length that you want. Charges via USB-C. I really like that. It comes with its own oil. That's nice and convenient. I like how you can adjust the length here. This attachment is plastic. Kind of weird that it's plastic, but it works. So no complaints there. But overall, I'm really happy with these clippers. Now, I did notice that occasionally when I was cutting my hair, the speed would change. That was kind of weird, but it works well. I got these for free to do this review, and I would not recommend these in a professional setting, but at home, especially when you just want to do some quick and easy cutting, works really, really well.